What's up, guys? You are welcome to Dynamicom TV, where we publish news on politics, entertainment, celebrities, and metro stories. We have another trending news for you today, and the headline here is: Where is Buhari and Osibanjo is the question. Nigerians can take nonsense. Alright, guys, please, before I go ahead to read today's news to you, if this is your first time you are watching on our channel, please, there is a red subscribe button below this video. Just go ahead, hit that red subscribe button and then click on the bell icon beside it so as to be the first to be notified whenever we publish news in the future on this channel, Dynamicom TV, without you missing any news again. Now the news in details. On my fellow Nigerians, why we will all accept this nonsense? Where is the whereabouts of Buhari, the president of Nigeria, and the vice, Osibanjo? That is the questions coming out from many Nigerians. How are they? Is the question. Are they feeling fine, alright? Are they in good health? All these and many more questions we need to ask the so-called presidency of Nigeria. President Muhammadu Buhari is Nigeria's democratically elected president, and also Yemi Osibanjo his vice, but their whereabouts remains unknown to the Nigerians, which raises a lot of questions. Before I comment, I would like to say that there is approximately more than 50,000 lawyers in Nigeria. We have over 100 civil society groups and organizations in Nigeria. We have over 200 comrades, as they say, but yet they cannot speak up to ask the whereabouts of their own president and the vice president. What is really happening in Aso Rock? This is the questions many Nigerians are asking, both in social media and in Aso Rock. Many are asking the same question those are living in diaspora. Everybody is confused. What is going on in Nigerian presidency? We have millions of graduates. We claim we know everything. We speak grammar. We construct grammar. But where is your president and his vice? This is the question unknown, and the Nigerians demand answer before it is too late. Where on earth is governance is that the person who we elected will not be seen in camera, but in the mouth and press release of his media aids? Please let politics out of this. I am not and don't belong to any political party. I am just a concerned Nigerian saying all this and the questions Nigerians are asking. Somebody should come out and tell me that the president's style on this coronavirus COVID-19 that is ravaging the whole world, and finally it came to our Nigerian and the presidency, as they call themselves. Instead of giving us our president whereabouts to head the presidential task force, they gave it to the secretary to the government, Boss Mustafa, which is not his primary duties. This raises many questions to the Nigerians. Imagine, let's go eat Ghana that we know. Ghanaian government, our neighbors here have their president at the front line in this pandemic period. United States, United States of America have their president, Donald Trump, at the front line of this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. Why and where is the question of Nigerians? Where is our president? Where is the vice president? Does it mean that this government does not have secretary or what? Secretariat or what? Come to think of it, go to London, United States, United Kingdom. Our former colonial masters, United Kingdom have their prime minister at the front line of this pandemic. Does it mean that this government don't have secretariats or what? These are questions coming from Nigerians. Now see the shocking message. In case a president is not around or is not fit to handle a situation indeed we have in Nigeria, the vice president should be in best position to assume that office. This is constitutional. The presidency needs to start answering in cool, meaningful manner because this country is ours and not just for them. The Nigerian president, vice president are to serve us. President Muhammadu Buhari is to serve us. Vice President Yomi Osibanjo are to serve us in this time. We are in a serious pandemic concerning the COVID-19. They should be awake while we sleep because they are under oath to serve the nation. The presidency should please, as matter of urgency, release our president and vice president to serve, release our president and vice president to us so they can be able to serve us. President Muhammad Buhari should head the front line and also the vice president the same, not the secretary to the government, because that is not his primary duty. The secretary to the government should go back to his office before Nigerians get angry and mad at him. There are many questions that are rising up because the Nigerian citizens are not hearing or seeing their president, President Muhammadu Buhari. Even the vice president is missing. No one is hearing about them in this serious pandemic season, coronavirus season. Nigerians are, and the concerned Nigerians in diaspora and at home is worried. Also, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been warning and speculating that Buhari is dead long ago and that Osibanjo is sick of coronavirus and is hidden. Now, this has resulted to a question to many Nigerians. A lot of Nigerians are worried and they allege that Buhari is no more in Asoro because there is no live interview. There is no live question since this coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic. All we had or hear is record being sent to us and the channel television will tell you it is live. Many Nigerians has opened eyes and they know that is a recording voice being televised to us that our president is alive. Please, if you are a concerned Nigerian, both those in diaspora, those at home, we need your opinion in this article because it is getting out of hand. We don't know where our president is and the vice president. The cabals in the Aso Rock, which compose those that call themselves the presidency. There is nothing like the presidency. We need the president of Nigeria. Alright guys, please, before you go, do not forget to drop your comment and let us know what you think concerning the whereabouts of our president and the vice president. Also, we have some comments here. We'll read some of them so that you know Nigerians are not happy because in this serious season of the pandemic, coronavirus, COVID-19, our president and the vice is missing. We have a comment coming from Kingsley Udo. He said, I pity the Yorubas. They claim they are the most educated and intelligent set of people in Nigeria, but they are cowards. And people are calling them the Kanu names for saying the truth. If I will say, where is Nigeria going? Because the only thing I'm seeing now is zoo. Nigeria has fallen. What is really happening in this country? As you can see, this is the opinion of Kingsley. Please, we ask you to drop your opinion. It is very important. So that we know what is going on in Nigeria. This is coming from Donald Nwaka. Donald Nwaka said, my brother, nobody will talk. They are cowards. They are afraid. If it is Nnamdi Kanu or IPOP members, they will come out and rant and make noise. Now, where is the president of Nigeria and his vice? Their whereabouts is unknown. What bundled them out of the Aso Rock is what we are asking. If somebody come out now to speak against the government, they will trace you and kill you. That is their way of support. Where is Buhari is what the people are asking. Nobody, so nobody will talk. And even if you talk, nobody will listen to you. Osibanjo, you know, is under Tinubu. Look at what happened to an Ambode. Or have you forgotten? All these people speaking, the government does not listen to them because we are not in democratically elected government. This is a government of even more than military government because nobody have right in this country. That is the comment of the young man. This is coming from Maze Chukuka. He said, Mr. President is in a mux. You see what we are saying? Everybody has his funny way of, making jokes of our president. President Muhammadu Buhari should come out and clarify himself. Like the time of Obasanjo, Obasanjo said, I de Kankbe. We need President Muhammadu Buhari to come out and speak to the people face to face and answer questions. Like Mr. Udoka said. He said, Mr. President is in mocks, tired his mouth praying against COVID-19 in Nigeria. Where is his vice? His vice is on mountain praying for Nigeria. So now you can see they are busy until COVID-19 stop. You see the kind of jokes Nigerians are going on with the people because, and he said, because Nnamdi Kanu first asked this question, many will feel like keeping quiet because IPOB intelligence agency has spoken. Where is Osibanjo? Nowhere to be found. Osibanjo is nowhere to be found, as we heard in Super Stories. Nigeria has become a super story. This is what we are saying. Please drop your comment. Let us know what you think. This is very, very bad. We don't know where the Nigerian president is. We don't know where the vice is. All messages that are coming from Aso Rock is said to be from the presidency. What is the meaning of the presidency? Many people are asking this question both in the media, in the social media, in Aso Rock even. This is coming from Adeyeye Olamide. He said, Nigeria is a home for all. All kinds of evil is happening now, and no one will talk because if you talk, they will go after you. I mean, the Northerners will slaughter you without no problem. All the politicians of the North, they will have meeting overnight and go after the person. For your information, Nigerians have no president and no vice president. And lawmakers and no lawmakers, but they cannot talk. The Southwest, the Southeast, the South, governors, they all know the whereabouts. They all know that there is no president in the Aso Rock. Only IPOP people, because I am not a member of them, I am a Yoruba man, you see. Only IPOP people, the so-called Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is speaking and asking questions, even asking questions of the son of a Yoruba people. And our Yorubans cannot speak. They cannot make any broadcast. There is no live broadcast in Nigeria anymore. Everything is just audio recording. What a fool. What a nonsense. What a follow. What a country. This is nonsense. This is imposing. In fact, we are doomed. Imagine the comment coming from Adeyeye Olamide. In fact, Nigeria is finished. We don't know what is happening in this country anymore. No president, no vice, no senate president. We are only online government. Nigeria is now only online government. Nigeria is finished. Fulani and some confused Yorubas have finished the country. Please drop your comment, and also do not forget to hit on the red subscribe button below this video. It is very important we know what you think, because this nation called Nigeria is going to fall. This year will not pass Nigeria not to fall, and Biafra will stand. We'll take another comment before we draw the curtain today. This is coming from Bianca. Bianca said, the picture tells you how the Fulanis behave when they need something from you. They will open their teeth wide for you to see all the hanging guru or cola nuts in their rotten gums. When it's time to share the loot, they will show you the UTC bladders. In case you have any comment to make, they can never be trusted in any way. Now they have changed titles, and now the new titles is the use of underage Almajiris that we are supposed to be in their home and state of origin and carry on with their profession. They are now spreading like wildfire to other states with their infectious and the coronavirus virtues. Nigeria, wake up. Another election is coming closer. Shine your eyes. Who is even going to make stand for another election in this kind of country where there is nobody, no ruling class, no rule of law, no president at the moment concerning what is happening in the world? Every president is coming out to give advice, even to wash hands, to show how it is done, so that people, the coronavirus will be educated to the people, the masses. Now our president is in only recording and recording, no live broadcast, no vice president, no president in the zoological republic. All right, guys, there are many angry comments popping up. We'll check this last one. This is coming from Oge Chukwu. She said, I thought that the essence of having vice in every organization or whatever you call it is for the replacement of head absentees. But we are the head. But we are the one fooling ourselves. We ask the question, where is the president? There is no answer. Where is the vice? There is no answer. I thought this is time for those politicians that are on seat to Aso Rock will tell us truth. Because he or she who follow made an evil king a king. When he start to rule, it will rule both people that crown him. Where is the president of the nation? Where is the president of the nation? People are crying, shouting, no food, only what they know is to lock down. All right, guys, you have heard the comment of many Nigerians, those in diaspora and in the country. Please drop your comment. This article is very important. The whole Nigeria made up of more than 200 million people. The country president is being missing. The country vice president is being missing. We're only hearing the voice of the media and publicity advisor, which is Adesini. He's just giving us nonsense speaking. When asked a serious question, he will just block it out and say nonsense that he likes. Please do not forget to drop your comment and let us know what you think. Also, meanwhile, it is important for you to click on the red subscribe button below this video and then click also on the bell icon beside it, so as to be the first to get notification whenever we publish news in the future in Dynamicon TV without you missing any news again. Thank you and welcome.